Good morning, internet friends. It is 7:23 in the morning on Saturday morning, and this weekend you're going to come follow along with me as we get ready to go full-time student teach next week. So we're going to go down and drive down the 30 minutes to kind of the nearest biggest town, because I am in a small town, and we're going to go to Target and possibly Sam's Club and get some groceries. We'll meal prep this weekend. We'll redo my nails because that's one thing to do on the weekend. Go make some bread. Yeah, just easy, fun things. So come along with me. Let's go see what we get at Target. Okay, so I didn't take you inside a Target. Oh, I also went to Starbucks on my way out of town. I did not go to Sam's, but I'm going to quick show you what I got just because I find that fun. So ready? Here we go. I got all these things and these flowers. So these flowers were from Target. They're like 10 bucks. I had this Be Mine little like holder thing, so I use it as a vase, and they're very pretty. Okay. Besides that, got some rice cakes because I remembered how much I like them, so we got them in lightly salted, caramel, and chocolate. Turned really into bagels, so I got some cinnamon roll. I still have cream cheese left, but bagels. These are my favorite thing with student teaching or long days. They have the Crystal Light with caffeine, and they have more flavors, and it was 3 for $7. So I got citrus, which I've never actually had before, but it can't be too bad. Wild strawberry and grape. Grape's my favorite, but I got that. I'm stocked up. They have this new Post-it note collection, which it's by Post-it. They're the Noted brand. So I got these ones. So it's noted by Post-it. I got this long to-do list and a small checklist because I do really like checklists and they're cute. Got those. I got this Take Time to Grow journal because I wanted it. And I like plants, if you didn't know. So that was $3 in the dollar section. And they finally, I've been looking for these for a while. The bands, I really like bands and noodles because they're a little bit higher in protein and they're good. And I saw that they had these, so I figured I'd grab 2 boxes. Hopefully I like it, otherwise I don't do bad. But I got some bands and noodles, and I probably will make this for lunch. See, it's a little bit higher in protein. So that is what I got from Target. Oh, just kidding. I also got this mug. It's a Hearth and Hand mug. It's Up and Atom. I love that brand. Love the Gainses. So I also got that mug for $5. That's my flower mess. Don't mind that. But yeah, that's what I got from Target. Friends, I have changed. So now it is time to clean my apartment because that's what you have to do. I don't want to do it, but let's see how long this takes me. It's currently 9:44, so let's see. See you later.
Showing up, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Bets are off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow. One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
All right, friends, happy Sunday. So now we have a whole nother to-do list we got to tackle before tomorrow. So let's walk through it. Put it out for you. So the first thing we need to do is meal prep, which we're gonna get doing shortly. Then I need to shower and like get my hair all ready for the week. You know how it is, ladies. I want to do my nails. If I don't get time for that, that's fine. And then picking up my clothes for tomorrow and have my lunch packed. So not a hard list, but a list nonetheless. Ready, set, Lego. All right, so let's talk meal prep. What we're going to do this week. So when I meal prep like breakfast, lunches, and dinners essentially. I do have some stuff in my freezer over there that's like really easy to make. So if I run out of food on Friday for dinner or something like that, I'll be able to whip something up really quick, or if I'm really tired and don't want what I made. But this week we're going to make Instant Pot honey garlic chicken with rice. We're gonna make barbecue chicken, which is just as simple as throwing chicken breast in with some barbecue sauce in the crock pot. And then we're gonna make pancake sausage muffin things. If you've ever had the Jimmy Dean, at the summer camp I work at, we used to have them. So they were like essentially a corn dog, but instead of a like hot dog, it was sausage and then wrapped in pancakes. So we're gonna kind of like recreate those with Kodiak cakes and make them in muffins, because I think that'll be super easy. Because this week I know I want chicken sausage for breakfast, but like I don't want to have to spend the time heating it up on the stove, if that makes sense. And I think we might also bake something like a cookie. That's up for grabs. Kind of depends how lazy I'm feeling. So we need to grab out the chicken, and now this chicken is like almost all the way thawed, but we need to finish it. Now in my apartment there are not a lot of outlets in the kitchen. There's 1, 2, 3. The third one's being used for the microwave, and to be quite honest with you, I don't feel like I'm plugging my microwave and moving it. So I have like 2 plugs obviously in this outlet right here, and I don't think I want to plug in my crock pot and my Instant Pot to it, because that just seems unsafe. It probably isn't, and I'm overthinking it, but that's what I think. So we're gonna do the crock pot over where my kettle is and unplug that, and then we'll use the Instant Pot. So yeah, ready? Here we go.
From the top, let's go!
All right, everyone, it is a while later. Obviously, I am showered and my hair's dry and all that, but I'm packing up my lunch for the week. So I'm actually gonna put my lunch I'm taking to work this week is barbecue chicken sandwiches. So I'm actually gonna put the chicken in these. I have these small Ziploc containers, and I'm going to divide out my food, but I have this lunchbox. This is my lunchbox, and in it, there's a front pocket. And in it, I have these from Tupperware, and they are, these hold like your spoons, so you don't have to buy plastic silverware. And we bought more, and so I think I have 2 more coming in the mail tomorrow, because I already have 2 of these in this like yellow-green color. That's awesome. And then I have some napkins in there, but we need to pack up some things. So my plan is I'm going to actually, I wasn't originally going to do this, but we got a little bit busier. Well, not busier. I've just like thought this would be a better idea, in all honesty. So we're going to divide it up into 5 containers, because there's 5 days of work, and just stack it in the fridge, so at least the meat's portioned out. And then I need to, for tomorrow, pack my lunch drink, which is collagen, I am having creatine right now because my strength building phase, and then a Crystal Light with lemonade, or Crystal Light with caffeine lemonade. This one's a wild strawberry flavor. So basically all I'm gonna do is bring a blender bottle full of water tomorrow, and I'm just gonna pour everything in here, including the Crystal Light. And all I have to do tomorrow is just dump this in and mix. And the nice thing about these are, again, they're not little baggies, so you can really wash them. So I'm going to do that. And it looks like you have a lot of drugs. Creatine looks like it, like, I don't know what real drugs look like, but I feel like creatine just looks like an actual drug. But now it's in here, and I can just close. You can do these in plastic baggies, and I guess I could, if I did it in the plastic baggie, like, prep it for the entire week, but I don't want to do that because honestly I just don't, and I'd rather be able to pick out like my Crystal Light flavor the night before. So we're going to do that. We're going to divide out all the meat in here, and then I have the rolls that I made yesterday, which you saw in the fridge, and I'm just going to put those in individual baggies, which I don't have reusable baggies yet. I'm hoping to get some. They are spendy though, so I have a bunch of sandwich bags, so I want to use those up first. And we're going to do that. And later we're going to pick out my outfit for working out and for teaching. And yeah, so here we go. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and tell me about what you do on your weekends to get ready for the week. And then make sure you subscribe down below so you never miss another PEHE teacher video. I will see you next time. Peace.